Hey there, let's dive into the incredible features of the Soundcore Space One Pro by Anker, a game changer in the world of adaptive active noise cancelling headphones. These headphones are designed with a unique FlexiCurve structure that reduces their size by 50%, making them super foldable and perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. Equipped with an exclusive 4-stage noise cancelling system, they adapt in real time to cancel out a wide range of ambient noise, ensuring you enjoy a rich, lossless listening experience. The advanced drivers feature triple composite diaphragms and LDAC mode for high-res audio, delivering high-fidelity sound with less than 3% total harmonic distortion. With an impressive 60 hours of non-stop playback and ultra-fast charging that gives you 8 hours of listening in just 5 minutes, these headphones are built for endurance. Even with ANC on, you get a solid 40 hours of battery life, and their pressure-relieving headband and slow-rebound foam earcups ensure all-day comfort. Whether you're on a long-haul flight or just relaxing at home, the Space One Pro is designed to make your audio experience exceptional. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.